How to delete Stripe account? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your Stripe account, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And please don't forget that you can find the Stripe sign up link and website link in the description of this video. So this is quite simple. Basically, first of all, you need to sign in into your account here in Stripe. And now you must click on this gears icon in the settings and go into the settings of your new business. Here you're gonna find these different menus, and in this part business settings there are your account details. So as you can see, there is the option to close your account. Be careful, because by closing your account you will not be able to access your financial data for reporting and tax purposes. So if you are in charge, or if you want to be careful with your accounting in your business and so on, be careful, because this is important to know. So if I click into close account, because I have this two-step verification, this is gonna send me a code to my mobile. And when I fill this code and click on continue, I'm gonna delete my account. Perhaps this is gonna ask you for your password again after this code, but it's basically like a reconfirmation in order to delete your Stripe account. Obviously, click on continue at the end, and that's it. That's how you can delete your Stripe account. Thanks for watching.